In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then on the dashboard, I want you to hover in the left side area. Click the Payments and Wallets, click the drop-down menu, and click the Withdraw option. You can choose Binance Pay, Maya, Neteller, Skrill, Online Bank Transfer, StickPay. In my case, I am using Gcash. Click on it, and then all I have to do is enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then enter your Gcash details such as your mobile number, account information if required, and double check everything before proceeding. You want to make sure to review the transaction summary carefully. If everything looks correct, tap the Continue button. Exness will send a verification code through your selected security method such as email or SMS. Once processed, the funds should arrive in your Gcash account according to the processing time shown by Exness for your selected payment methods. And basically, that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Exness. And if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.